So if you like to learn and make notes, this is something that I want to share. This one time, I was in school and coaching, and I had modules, okay, for different subjects, and I was studying this one subject, and I literally highlighted the whole module because I thought that everything was important. But I literally did not understand, how to understand that what is important. I would even ask people that how do you understand what is important? They would just laugh, okay? And even when I would make notes, I would write everything because literally I used to think that everything was important. But the thing is that no matter how much I write, not everything is getting to my head, right? And that's not the way to study. Then I investigated into it, and it was the thing is that I was studying biology. So, because somebody in my family, the feeling was they wanted me to be a doctor, okay? And the thing is that there was a grief behind it. Like somebody should be like a doctor, and like a very, I don't know, it was such a sorrowful feeling that was driving me. And this feeling had nothing to do with the subject. You understand? And I understood that, there is always a feeling that is, carrying the information. Information is always carried upon a feeling. Okay. And so I was in a very survival mode kind of thing that I need to study because, because I want to achieve this because of somebody's feeling. It wasn't even mine. So I was not connecting with the subject. Then further on in my life, I understood that I need to dissolve this sorrow. Like if I'm feeling that sorrow, I need to cry it out, that why do we feel this way. And when I was in this survival mode, and when I relaxed into my nervous system, now I understand that now if I want to understand a concept, or I want to learn something, I need to understand the whimsical part of it. Like I need to be interested in the topic. So, there has to be some news about the topic that, when this was discovered, this happened. Okay, some news about it that would get you into the adventurous feel of the topic. Like then you will get interested into the topic, and then you will be you should be full of it. Like, as a child, you should be like, this is what happened around this story, and then you're interested in the story, and then you want to know more about it. Like that you need with, before you study a concept, make it whimsical, make it adventurous and magical, or gossipy, not in a bad manner, but like in a, oh, like this happened, so in a manner that you get interested into that. Then you start, then normally there would be questions in your head about that. So when the questions erupt in your head, then you start studying the topic, and then it gets interested in that way. When you feel something about that, only then you make notes out of that. You never make notes like you're writing everything, but when you're feeling the topic, only then you make notes out of it. So yeah.